Hi guys, so today I'm going to show you my latest project.
And what's really cool is that 98% of the backend comes from Wazuh itself. There is no extra database that we need to build for this app. Even a login, we use the same credential as your Wazuh indexer. All right, let's jump in and let's log in to our platform. So the first page is the overview. It shows a summary of events in your environment. These events came from absolutely came from a Wazuh indexer, but they are stored in a different index than the Wazuh alerts. Let me show you. Um, Wazuh alerts that you guys have on your Wazuh, and this is additional index that we need to build. Wait a sec.
To make this application works is a must to make one custom index that called Wazuh offense.
As you guys see, there will be an additional field. There are node and then assign and etc. So with the different index, it will also allows you to separate access control between the Wazuh alerts and this side. Okay, we can go to the next page. Manage events by changing their status into investigating, and also you can take a look the raw data on the alert, and then you can also assign it to your analyst or even yourself. Fit. All right, let us change the status. Okay, as you can see, the status will change from the open to investigating. Also, we can manage multiple event by group them into a case. Let's say you guys want to make some case that called suspicious event on the same endpoint. Take it to low severity and assign yourself in investigation. You can create the case and then link it to the events. For example, we add some okay, we select 10 events here, and as you guys see, we are looking for suspicious event on the same endpoint, but there is a different endpoint on your case. You can remove it directly from this UI, and also you can add the events on investigation view. For example, all right, if you guys already tag some events to the case, it will show some warning, and then Let's take a look to event that not linked on any case. All right, we can tag them. There you go. It's successfully added to the case. All right, let me change the title. It's working. We can investigate the events on this view also. For example,
We investigate the events on their raw data and we find some IP with the event description user login failed. So we can add the IP to the description for reference to another analyst or your incident response team.
after that, we can save it and also we can take a look this case into or from our Wazuh indexer. Let me query the title. There you go. It's visible on our Wazuh too. So if our platform is down, you can still access the data on the Wazuh indexer itself. This site has a remote command that will help you guys to do some incident response or maybe threat hunting that need you guys to command on specific server. So let me show you how I block some IP. Wait a minute. For example, that we want to block this guy. You can copy and paste it here. This feature will work very slow because it uses several Wazuh features. There are two active response and a Woodle command, which communicate together to make the remote command function properly. And also, while we wait this feature to running, can see our analytics menu. For now, it shows some basic statistic things like which mid-range attack techniques are covered by our Wazuh rules that trigger and which agent that has many alerts. All right, as we can see, the command is successfully running. We can also check is it true that the command is successfully executed by running
This command.
Also, I can share you something to prove that our remote command is using Wazuh feature. There you go. There is some visualization that we have from remote command data communication that happen on our Wazuh. It shows top command that we request. You can see that we do IP tables min L min N 3 times, and our Wazuh show it in the same value that is 3 times. And then it it's also track the user who run this command or request to run this command. There you go, guys. It successfully add the web reputation IP to the IP tables. And that's a quick look at how you can do incident response and event management right inside this platform. Okay, guys, thanks for watching. Have a great day.